Welcome back to my channel. Earlier I've showed that the plants have been drying, the leaves have been burned out. Nevertheless, the fruiting has been good, and you can see lots of flowers blooming and ultimately converting into that beauty. So you can see the buds, flowers will emerge from these, and after this will be flowers, and after pollination process, that would be the end result of it. A perfect hobby for everyone. Everyone must do this at their house, and it's a wonderful hobby for kids as well, in order to make kids away from mobile. This is the best one I've got. You can see the little one, and you can see lots of flowers blooming, lots of fruiting, and I've put this is the point where the plant has been grown, right at the bottom, and I've put urea fertilizer and DAP fertilizer on it. Lots of nitrogen and phosphorus have been, and potash have been applied at the to the plants, and you can see the end result of it. And lots of farmyard manure has already been applied at the sowing time, and you can see at a height of 36 you can see the plants, you can see flowers, you can see birds, and you can see fruits. Thank you so very much. Subscribe my channel for further such news and videos.